How to buy Solana meme coin on Trust Wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, in order to purchase your Solana meme coin, you can simply click on the Manage Crypto on the top right corner and make sure that you have selected all networks. Now this is where you can go with meme coins. Like if I go back and show you some, as you can see we have Bomb, which is Solana meme coin. But if you want a specific meme coin which is not available on Trust Wallet, what you gonna do? So you're gonna click on Discover on the bottom right, and we will gonna use some third-party exchange like Jupiter or any other exchange. So simply click on it, but before that there is also another method, which is the built-in swapping option. So if I click on swap and go for some Bitcoin and click on swap button, and let's go with the Solana network, and again this is where I can select my particular coin. But let's go with the Jupiter as an example, as they have much more options. So simply click on Jupiter exchange, and then you're gonna connect your Trust wallet. So simply click on connect wallet. Once you have connected your wallet, you're just gonna need to select your from section. So simply search for the coin that you have in your wallet right now. Once you have selected that, you're just gonna need to click on done button, and then as for the receive section, you now need to search for the specific meme coin. So let's go with the coin that is showing up right here. So I will simply click on it, then you're gonna need to enter the amount, and this is going to show you how much you will receive. Then make sure to select your slippage settings accordingly, and then click on the transaction button. Now I don't have sufficient funds, but once you have successfully make a purchase, you're gonna need to click on home button and click on manage crypto on the top, and you will gonna receive your particular meme coin right in this place. Now you're gonna need to simply scroll all the way, or you can simply search for it and then simply enable just like so. So hope this helped. This is how you can buy Solana meme coin on Trust Wallet.